Number 20. The Thicatal Smart Shell is engineered as a modular performance outer layer designed to deliver adaptable protection in dynamic outdoor environments. Constructed from advanced weather-resistant textiles, it provides effective shielding against wind and light precipitation while maintaining breathability for active movement. The shell's structural design supports integration with mid-layers, allowing users to regulate thermal performance according to changing climate conditions. Reinforced seam construction enhances long-term durability under repeated use, while precision tailoring ensures ergonomic mobility without restricting range of motion. Adjustable cuff systems and hem controls contribute to improved fit customization and thermal retention. Strategically positioned pockets offer secure storage without disrupting the garment's streamlined silhouette. Number 19. The Agawa ADK26 is a 26-inch folding bow saw engineered for high-efficiency wood processing in backcountry and expedition settings. Its anodized aluminum frame provides structural rigidity while maintaining lightweight portability, ensuring dependable performance without unnecessary load burden. The integrated tensioning mechanism enables rapid blade deployment and secure locking alignment, preserving cutting stability under sustained force. When folded, the blade is fully enclosed within the frame, enhancing transport safety and compact storage. The extended blade length increases cutting leverage, allowing controlled processing of larger branches and firewood. Ergonomic handle geometry supports comfortable grip positioning, reducing fatigue during extended use. Precision blade design promotes clean cuts with reduced binding resistance. The frame architecture distributes force evenly, minimizing torsional stress during sawing operations. Number 18. The Exodus K-Pax is a compact electric adventure vehicle concept designed to provide versatile mobility across varied terrain conditions. Built upon a reinforced chassis architecture, it integrates oversized all-terrain tires that enhance traction, stability, and ground clearance. Electric propulsion enables quiet operation and reduced emissions, supporting environmentally conscious exploration. The frame structure is engineered to accommodate cargo loads while maintaining balanced weight distribution for stable maneuverability. Suspension components are calibrated to absorb uneven terrain impacts, improving ride comfort and structural resilience. Integrated storage solutions enhance utility for transporting outdoor gear or expedition equipment. The vehicle's compact footprint allows maneuverability in constrained environments while retaining rugged capability. Battery integration is optimized for efficient energy delivery and extended operational range. Durable exterior materials resist environmental wear, reinforcing reliability in outdoor conditions. The K-Pax design prioritizes functionality without sacrificing structural stability or terrain adaptability. Its electric drivetrain supports smooth torque delivery across inclines and irregular surfaces. By combining compact form, off-road capability, and electric efficiency, the Exodus K-Pax represents a modern approach to adventure-focused mobility solutions. Number 16. The Flare GO is a portable manual espresso system engineered to deliver precision extraction without reliance on electrical power. Constructed from durable metal components, it provides structural stability during pressure application and long-term mechanical resilience. The manual lever mechanism enables users to control pressure profiles, facilitating consistent espresso extraction and flavor balance. Modular brewing components simplify cleaning and disassembly, enhancing travel practicality. Compact dimensions and collapsible design support portability for camping, office use, or minimalist kitchens. The brewing chamber maintains heat stability to improve extraction consistency. High-quality seals preserve pressure integrity during operation. The stable base structure prevents movement during lever actuation, ensuring controlled brewing. Its mechanical simplicity reduces maintenance complexity while maintaining performance standards expected in specialty coffee preparation. The Flare Go integrates precision engineering with compact design, offering enthusiasts the ability to produce cafe-quality espresso in mobile or off-grid environments. The system emphasizes durability, brewing control, and portability within a streamlined mechanical framework. Number 15. The FlexTail Tiny Sleeping Pad is an ultralight inflatable sleeping solution developed to enhance comfort and thermal separation in outdoor environments. Manufactured from puncture-resistant materials, it provides durability while maintaining minimal packed weight. Its inflatable chamber structure distributes body weight evenly, reducing pressure points during overnight rest. Welded seam construction supports air retention and long-term structural integrity. Compact folding capability enables efficient storage within backpacks or travel gear systems. The pad's surface texture minimizes slippage, enhancing stability during sleep. Rapid inflation and deflation systems streamline campsite setup and breakdown. Thermal insulation properties reduce conductive heat loss from the ground, improving comfort in cooler climates. Despite its lightweight design, the pad maintains sufficient structural firmness for balanced support. The tiny sleeping pad is engineered to prioritize portability without compromising reliability. Its combination of low mass, compact storage, and functional comfort makes it suitable for backpacking, minimalist camping, and travel scenarios requiring efficient gear management. Number 14. The Gosney Tread is a compact outdoor pizza oven designed to achieve high-temperature cooking performance within a portable structure. Engineered with insulated construction, it retains heat efficiently to maintain consistent stone temperatures during operation. The durable exterior shell withstands outdoor exposure while preserving structural stability. Controlled airflow systems regulate combustion and temperature management, supporting uniform cooking results. The cooking chamber design promotes even heat distribution across the stone surface. Compact dimensions enhance transportability for camping, backyard use, or mobile culinary setups. Rapid heat-up capability reduces preparation time while maintaining cooking consistency. Structural reinforcement ensures reliability under repeated high-temperature cycles. The tread balances portability with professional-grade cooking performance. Its thermal engineering supports crisp crust formation and even topping preparation. By combining compact form factor with high-output heat capability, the Gosney Tread provides a refined outdoor cooking solution designed for durability, efficiency, and culinary precision. Number 13. The FlexTail Tiny Repel is a compact, rechargeable mosquito repellent device engineered to provide portable insect protection in outdoor environments. Designed with a lightweight and travel-friendly profile, it creates a protective zone by dispersing heated repellent vapor without the use of open flame, enhancing operational safety during camping or remote use. The housing is constructed from durable, weather-resistant materials that withstand outdoor exposure while maintaining structural integrity. Its rechargeable power system supports extended runtime, making it suitable for overnight use in tents, patios, or hiking rest areas. The activation system is engineered for rapid deployment, allowing users to establish protection quickly in changing conditions. Efficient thermal distribution ensures consistent vapor release across the designated coverage area. Number 12. The Makita Heated Blanket integrates battery-powered heating technology into a portable insulated textile designed for cold weather environments. Compatible with select Makita battery platforms, it provides adjustable heat settings that allow users to regulate warmth according to environmental conditions. Evenly distributed internal heating elements promote consistent thermal output across the blanket's surface. The exterior fabric is engineered for durability, resisting abrasion and wear during job site, camping, or outdoor event use. Lightweight construction enhances portability while maintaining structural integrity. Reinforced stitching supports long-term reliability under repeated folding and transport cycles. Integrated control interfaces enable convenient temperature adjustments. The blanket's insulation layer retains generated heat efficiently, improving energy usage and runtime performance. Designed to function in off-grid scenarios, it extends comfort beyond traditional power sources. The Makita Heated Blanket combines portable power integration with Number 11. The UCO CookKit Camp Kitchen is a portable cooking workstation designed to improve organization and efficiency in outdoor meal preparation. Built with a foldable structural frame, it provides a stable elevated surface that enhances hygiene and ergonomic accessibility compared to ground-level cooking. Durable construction materials ensure resistance to environmental exposure and repeated transport. Integrated storage compartments allow organized placement of utensils, cookware, and ingredients, streamlining workflow during campsite operations. The folding mechanism enables compact storage and rapid deployment, reducing setup time. Reinforced joints enhance stability under load. The elevated design minimizes contamination from dirt or debris while improving comfort during food preparation. Structural balance prevents tipping when supporting cooking equipment. The CookKit Camp Kitchen emphasizes portability, structural stability, and operational organization. By combining collapsible engineering with practical workspace management, it enhances outdoor culinary efficiency while maintaining compact transport dimensions suitable for camping and expedition use. Number 10. The Nature Hike Snap Chair is a lightweight foldable seating solution engineered for portability and outdoor stability. Constructed with a reinforced metal frame, it provides structural support while maintaining manageable weight for travel. The seating fabric is designed for durability and breathability, ensuring comfort during extended use. Its folding mechanism allows rapid deployment and compact storage, improving transport efficiency. Low-profile geometry enhances balance on uneven terrain, contributing to user stability. Frame joints are reinforced to maintain rigidity under repeated loading cycles. The chair's compact folded dimensions fit easily within camping gear systems. Its structural design distributes weight evenly to reduce ground pressure points. The Snap chair prioritizes convenience, reliability, and ergonomic comfort. By integrating lightweight materials with reinforced support architecture, it delivers dependable seating performance suited for camping, festivals, and outdoor gatherings where compact portability is essential. Number 9. The Zero Breeze Mark III is a compact battery-powered air conditioning unit developed for portable climate control in confined spaces. Engineered with an integrated rechargeable battery system, it supports off-grid operation in tents, vans, and small rooms. The cooling mechanism is optimized for energy efficiency while delivering targeted airflow performance. Adjustable fan speeds and cooling settings allow temperature regulation based on environmental needs. The lightweight chassis enhances portability without compromising structural durability. Ventilation architecture is designed to manage airflow intake and exhaust effectively within limited space conditions. Noise output is engineered to remain minimal during operation, improving user comfort. Compact dimensions simplify storage and transport. The Mark III emphasizes mobility, energy-conscious cooling, and adaptable climate control. By combining battery integration with compact thermal engineering, it provides a practical cooling solution for mobile living and remote applications. Number 8. The Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter is a convertible insulated system designed to function both as a blanket-style comforter and a structured sleeping enclosure. Its insulated fill material retains body heat efficiently while maintaining softness and flexibility. Durable outer fabric enhances resistance to abrasion during repeated outdoor use. The adaptable configuration allows it to remain fully open for shared comfort or secured for increased thermal containment. Reinforced stitching improves structural longevity under folding and packing cycles. Compact compressibility supports efficient storage within vehicle-based or campsite gear systems. The design prioritizes versatility, enabling use in car camping, tent environments, or indoor settings. Insulation distribution is engineered for balanced warmth across the surface. The comforter emphasizes adaptable comfort, portability, and thermal efficiency. By merging blanket flexibility with sleeping bag insulation performance, it delivers a multifunctional solution tailored for modern camping and travel applications. Number 7. The Alpargally Puffer Jacket is engineered as a lightweight insulated outer garment designed to deliver efficient thermal retention in cold weather conditions while maintaining mobility and streamlined aesthetics. Constructed with a quilted outer shell, it ensures even distribution of insulating fill to prevent cold spots and maintain consistent warmth. The exterior fabric provides resistance against wind and light precipitation, enhancing environmental protection during transitional and winter climates. Precision stitching reinforces structural integrity and supports long-term durability under repeated wear. The jacket's ergonomic cut allows unrestricted arm movement, making it suitable for both active and casual use. Adjustable cuffs and secure front closures improve heat retention and personalized fit. Despite its insulating capability, the garment remains compressible, allowing convenient packing for travel. Breathability is balanced with insulation to reduce overheating during moderate activity. The lightweight structure prevents bulk accumulation while preserving core warmth. Designed to integrate seamlessly with layering systems, the Alpargally Puffer Jacket offers adaptable temperature management. Its construction emphasizes warmth efficiency, durability, and contemporary styling, positioning it as a functional yet refined solution for outdoor environments and everyday cold weather wear. Number 6. The UCO Ingalls Folding Knife is a compact utility tool engineered for dependable performance in outdoor and everyday carry applications. Featuring a durable steel blade, it delivers reliable cutting capability across varied tasks, from campsite preparation to general utility use. The folding mechanism enhances portability and safety by enclosing the blade securely when not in operation. A locking system stabilizes the blade during use. Number 5. The Ninja FrostVault is a high-performance insulated cooler engineered to deliver extended temperature retention for outdoor and travel applications. Constructed with thick insulated walls and a tightly sealed lid, it minimizes thermal exchange to preserve internal cooling conditions. The structural design emphasizes durability, allowing it to withstand transport across varied environments. Interior organization compartments facilitate efficient storage separation of food and beverages. Reinforced carrying points enhance stability during transport. The lid mechanism is engineered to maintain consistent sealing pressure, improving cold retention duration. Impact-resistant materials protect the cooler's structural integrity under rugged use. Drainage components enable convenient cleaning and water removal. The frost vault prioritizes thermal efficiency, structural resilience, and organized storage capacity. Its design supports camping, tailgating, and extended outdoor activities where temperature preservation is critical. By combining insulation engineering with rugged construction, Number 5 The Ninja Frost Vault is a high-performance insulated cooler engineered to deliver extended temperature retention for outdoor and travel applications. Constructed with thick insulated walls and a tightly sealed lid, it minimizes thermal exchange to preserve internal cooling conditions. The structural design emphasizes durability, allowing it to withstand transport across varied environments. Interior organization compartments facilitate efficient storage separation of food and beverages. Reinforced carrying points enhance stability during transport. The lid mechanism is engineered to maintain consistent sealing pressure, improving cold retention duration. Impact-resistant materials protect the cooler's structural integrity under rugged use. Drainage components enable convenient cleaning and water removal. The frost vault prioritizes thermal efficiency, structural resilience. Number 3 The Space Camper Bike is a modular mobility concept designed to merge cycling efficiency with integrated camping functionality. Engineered with a reinforced frame structure, it supports additional storage modules while maintaining ride balance and maneuverability. Lightweight materials reduce overall mass, enhancing pedaling efficiency across varied terrain. Integrated attachment systems allow secure mounting of camping components without compromising structural stability. Weight distribution is optimized to preserve handling precision under load. Durable construction materials resist environmental wear during extended travel. The modular configuration enables adaptability for different trip durations and equipment needs. Compact design supports navigation through urban and rural environments alike. Suspension and frame geometry contribute to stable performance even when fully equipped. The Space Camper Bike emphasizes multifunctional efficiency, sustainability, and mobility independence. By integrating transportation and shelter logistics within a unified cycling platform, it represents a modern approach. Number 1 The UCO Stake Light is a dual-purpose campsite accessory engineered to function both as a tent stake and an integrated LED illumination source. Constructed from durable materials, it anchors tent corners securely while providing ground-level lighting for improved nighttime visibility. The embedded LED enhances safety by reducing tripping hazards around campsite perimeters. Weather-resistant construction ensures reliability in varied environmental conditions. Compact dimensions support minimal packing space while maximizing utility. The lighting mechanism is designed for energy efficiency and ease of activation. Reinforced stake geometry improves ground penetration and holding stability. Lightweight construction prevents unnecessary load increase within camping gear systems. The stake light integrates structural anchoring and illumination within a single compact component. Its multifunctional design enhances campsite organization, safety, and operational efficiency. By combining secure tent stabilization with practical lighting, the UCO Stake Light offers a refined solution for improving nighttime campsite functionality.